So we gotta put in the steel cage. So I'm doing the lintel across this garage door. Alright. So see there. When I see now, push. Yeah. Alright, so that's a steel cage across the lintel. So if you try to do the lintel without steel, now it'll work out. I remember saying the support and the pressure will go on top of it. Yeah, I tie the steel every night fast and quick. Alright, so jump off on the lower part, yeah, don't do too much something one time. So alright, so we have some short wall bars. We gotta put them in because on top of the lintel we gotta lay one more layer of block. Put that up on this. Okay, so I have my excuse. So on top of this will be the belting. So the belting is the tying up of the building. Man said once it reach 8 feet, no more building blocks. So as you see it, so after we finish with the wall bars, then we'll close up the lintel, and then it's time to pour the concrete. Just you know, make you rest them. You know. But set them on, just rest them. Just rest them. So here we have some sharp wall bar. You know, see, man, just rest my 16. So you see, I'm gonna push on that. No, them can't just swoop on the team and the black man leave on the team. So just swoop one of the team. So we're gonna tie the wall bar. I place some wall bar. 16 inches apart. I'll start tying with the left hand tie. I'll demonstrate the way I do. Can't stop.